Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about break and continue statements in C. So first of all, break statement. So when a break statement is encountered inside the loop will automatically immediately exit and continues statement immediately after the loop. So whenever you use break statement, that means the break statement is used to exit from the loop. So if you want to skip the entire loop, then you need to use break statement. Okay. When the loops are nested, so here nested loops are nothing but the loops inside within another loop. Okay. So the loops within another loop, those are known as nested loops. So when the loops are nested, the break will only exit from the loop containing. Okay. Which means the break statement is exit from single loop. Okay. So that is nothing but break statement. So here the main purpose of break statement is used to skip the statements. Okay. Entire loop statements are skipped and after the loop statements are only executed. Let's see the flow chart. So here, so these are the statements. Okay. First statements are executed. Next condition is checked. If the condition is true, again statements are executed. If the condition is false, exit from the loop, means the statements are not executed. Whenever you use break statements, the statements are not executed and it will skip from the loop. Okay. So that is break statement. Let's see the example. So here hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h. These are the header files, standard input output.header file and console input output.header file. Void main function. Next I am taking one variable that is int I. Okay. CLR SCR is used to clear the screen. For int I is equals to 1, so I am storing 1 in I. 1 less than 5. 1 less than 5 is true. Okay. And again I am checking if I is equal to 3. So I value is 1. 1 equals to 3. Is it true? 1 equals to 3? No, it is not true. So that's why the statements are executed. So 1 is printed. I value is 1. Next, I value is incremented. Now I value is 2. Again, 2 less than 5. Yes, 2 less than 5 is true. Again I am checking condition if 2 equals to 3. 2 equals to 3 is true? No, it is not true. Again, statement 2 is printed. Okay, I value is now 2. Again, I value is incremented to 3. Okay, 3 less than 5 is true? Yes. If I equals to 3, I is equals to 3 is true. So, it exit from the loop. Okay. Whenever I value is 3, the break statement is used to skip from the loop, terminate from the loop. Not here I value is 3. 3 equals to 3 is equals to 3 is true. So that's why it exists from the loop. No other statements are executed. Okay. So whenever the statement break is used, it exists from the entire loop. No other statements are executed. Okay. Next, continue statement. So when the continue statement is encountered, it skips from the following statements and continues with next iteration. Okay. So continue statement is used to exit from a single statement. Okay. It skips only few statements, not the entire loop. Break statement is used to skip from entire loop, but continue statement is used to skip from following statements only, those specific statements only, and continues with next iteration, means next repetition. So here continue is a keyword. Okay. Let's see the flow chart. So here statements condition code and I am checking the condition. Okay. So here if condition is true, the statements are again executed. If the condition is false, it terminates the function. Okay. So whenever you use continue, it skips only single statements. Okay. It skips only single statements and print next statements. Okay. So let's see the example for better understanding. So here the example is same example, but here we are using continue. Okay. So break is used to exit from a single loop, means entire loop, but continue, let's see. So here these are two header files. Void main, I value is 1 less than or equals to 5 is true. Okay, 1 less than or equals to 5 is true. Again I am checking 1 equals to 3. Is it true? No. So that's why the statement 1 is printed. I value is 1. Now I value is incremented to 2. 2 less than or equals to 5 is true. Again 2 equals to 3 is true. No. So again 2 value is printed. Next I value is incremented to 3. 3 less than or equals to 5. Next I am checking 3 equals to 3. Yes, it is true. Continue. So continue means it is used to skip statement. Okay. Statements. It only skips the statement. So 3 is not printed. Next I value is incremented to 4. 4 less than or equals to 5 is true. So 4 equals to 3. Is it true? No. Again I value is printed. Next I value is 5. 5 less than or equals to 5 is true. Okay. 5 is equals to 3 is true. No. So 5 value is printed. Again I value is incremented to 6. 6 less than or equals to 5 is false. So that's why it skips the statement. So if you observe that the break statement skips from entire loop, but here the continue statement only when I equals to 3. Okay. If it is true, the continue statement is enabled. Only it skips the single statement. Okay. So if you want to skip only few statements, then you need to use continue, and if you want to skip entire loop, then you need to use break statement. Okay. So I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.